e-commerce. First, let's start with a definition. What does traditional commerce conveys? Traditional commerce refers to all activities that encourage the exchange of goods or services in some way or other. It can be manual or non-electronic. Okay, so the focus is exchange of goods or services, but they are manual or non-electronic in nature. So all activities that makes up this is called as traditional commerce. Whereas in e-commerce, there are commercial transactions or exchange of information, and this is happening electronically over internet. Fine, that's about definition. Then let's see how the transaction processing is going to happen. In traditional commerce, it's going to be manual, whereas in e-commerce, it is fully electronic. Then the availability. In traditional commerce, the availability is restricted to a limited time because for how many hours you can open the shop, you can have the shop kept open as defined by law. But of course, there are special stores which run for 24 hours. You can have 24 hours medical shops, hotels, etc. Whereas in case of e-commerce, the availability is 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 365 days in a year. It means there is no restriction. Then let's look at the nature of purchase. In traditional commerce, before purchasing, you can make inspection of the product, so that is made possible. Whereas in e-commerce, inspection before purchase is not possible. Then the customer interaction in traditional commerce is face to face, whereas in e-commerce it's only screen to face. Then the business scope in traditional commerce, the business is restricted or limited to a particular area, whereas in e-commerce you have worldwide reach. Then information exchange. In traditional commerce, there is no uniform platform for exchange of information, whereas in e-commerce, we have uniform platform for exchange of information. Then let's move on to the resource focus. In traditional commerce, the focus is on the supply side, whereas in e-commerce, the resource focus is on the demand side. Then the marketing. In traditional commerce, the marketing is actually a one-way marketing, whereas in e-commerce, we can have one-to-one marketing itself. Then payments. In traditional commerce, the payments can be made by cash or check or credit card, whereas in e-commerce, you can have variety of combinations like credit card, fund transfer, cash on delivery, payment wallets, or you can also use this UPCPA applications. We have Paytm and it goes. Then delivery of goods. In traditional commerce, the delivery of goods are instant because the buyer and seller are direct, whereas in e-commerce, it's going to take time, and there is an option of same day delivery or within 4 hours, 12 hours delivery are also available, but they are restricted to a certain number of cities only as of now. And if you look at Amazon, they have already started delivery through drones in USA. Fine, that's about delivery of goods. Then the layers of delivery. What is the impact on profit? In traditional commerce, there are multiple layers from manufacturer to customer. Of course, profit gets reduced because of that. Whereas in e-commerce, the layers are reduced. The contact is almost virtually direct. So this increases the profit margin for the manufacturers. It enables them to give discount to customers, and customers will also get better prices because of high volume of sales. Fine. That's about the layers of delivery and its impact on the profit. And finally, the layers of delivery and its impact on delivery time. In traditional commerce, less time is taken because the contact is direct, whereas in e-commerce, faster product delivery is possible, but we have to agree it takes time. Okay, generally it takes time, but faster product delivery is made possible. But one good thing here is there can be a better inventory management because the suppliers will know the customer's expectation, they know the trend, so they can have inventory management on just-in-time basis. So these are all the broader differences between the traditional commerce